Assalamu alaikum. So you filled and submitted your UK study visa application on gov.uk and paid your visa fee. Congratulations, you're halfway there. Now comes the next big step, booking your biometric appointment with VFS Global. In this video, I'll walk you through the entire process. Once you complete and submit your visa application on the UK Visas and Immigration website, you'll automatically be redirected to the VFS Global website. Your VFS account is created at that exact moment. You then have up to 240 days from submission to attend your biometric appointment. So there's no need to panic if slots aren't available immediately, but don't wait too long either, especially if your course starts soon. Once redirected, log in using your gov.uk email and password. This brings you to your personal VFS dashboard. Pakistan has 4 visa application centers: Islamabad, Lahore, Karachi and Mirpur. Choose the one nearest to you. Some locations offer a premium lounge or extended hours center at an additional cost. This is optional and only affects comfort, not your visa outcome. Standard processing usually takes about 3 weeks after your biometrics, and it costs nothing extra beyond your visa fee. Karachi Visa Service aims for decision within 5 working days, but the fee is not refunded if your application is refused or delayed. If you applied well in advance, save your money and go standard. If your CAS came late or your course starts soon, priority is worth considering. Next, pick an available date and time. Slots are usually released up to 90 days in advance. You can reschedule up to 24 hours before your slots. Payment must be completed online before your appointment. Make sure your card supports international online payments. A quick call to your bank sorts it out. You have 2 options for documents. Option 1 is self-upload, which is free. You can keep uploading until the day before your appointment. Make sure copies are clear, legible, preferably in color, and A4 size. Clarity is key for a smooth process. Option 2 is document upload assistance. VFS staff can scan and upload your documents for you at the center for an extra fee. On the day, bring your original passport, printed appointment confirmation, original documents for verification, and your CAS letter. At the center, you'll check in, provide your fingerprints and photograph, and your documents will be verified. Biometrics must be given in person. After your appointment, you can track your visa status online. Standard takes approximately 3 weeks, priority approximately 5 working days. That's the complete process. If this helped, don't forget to like, share and follow for more UK study visa guidance. See you in the UK!